Another thing to think about when we're making a sound on the trombone is the kind of air that it takes to make a sound. When we think of the air it takes, we want to think wind, because air just stands still, but wind is moving. And it takes more wind to play an instrument than when we're just talking or breathing. So if we just use the wind we use to talk, we won't get the sound we want. That's wind with regular breath, with regular breathing. The wind we have to use when playing an instrument has to be much faster.